Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to block and unblock a contact in Signal. Now let's dive into the video. First of all, you have to launch Signal app on your device, and in here make sure that you are already logged in. After that, if you want to block someone on Signal app, select that contact and open the chat. Once you open the chat, now again at the upper right corner of your screen you will see three-dot menu. Tap on that, and again a dialog box will pop up with multiple menus. Again you have to tap on chat settings, and at the bottom of the screen you will see block. If you tap on block and again tap on block, you have blocked this contact. And now to unblock that contact again, follow the same steps, and in here simply tap on unblock and then again tap on unblock, and as simple as that you can block and unblock a contact in Signal. I hope this video was helpful. That's all for today. Make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon, and thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.